So hey guys, what's up? And today we are going to talk about a problem I faced recently, and the problem was the Windows wasn't detecting my Android device when I connect it with the USB cable, and I searched through the web and tons of YouTube videos, but I couldn't get the exact solution to my problem, and I visited about hundreds of articles for the solution, but none of them mentioned the solution correctly or completely. But at last I just solved the issue with some of the articles and YouTube videos. So today we're gonna be talking about everything you can try if your Windows is not detecting your Android device. And none of the videos were completely, so I've decided that to create a video that solve this problem truly. So let's start with the first thing. So the problem arose when I just reinstalled my Windows and I installed Windows 10 Pro N instead of Windows 10 Pro. So the main difference between Windows 10 Pro and Windows 10 Pro N is that the Windows 10 Pro N does not come with the main features like Windows Media Player and some built-in features. So to get rid of that such bloatwares, I just installed Windows 10 Pro N. But the problem I was facing, so I just solved it, so I can just guide you through the problem. So the first thing you should do is just to search for apps and features. And it will just open the apps and features for you. And go to the optional features, and here you need to search for media feature pack. It is not showing in me because I have already downloaded and installed it. As you can see it over here. So the first thing is obviously you need to download this media feature pack and install it and reboot your device, and then you should try connecting the Android device. If it recognizes it, then you're good to go. But if it's not, then you need to follow the second step, which is going to the device manager. Right click on it and start menu and just choose device manager. And here you will see the portable device option, and inside that you will see an Android device. It's not currently showing in mine because I've already resolved the issue. So you need to just, for example, this is your portable device, just right click on it and choose update driver, and it will just install the driver, and it will just resolve the issue. And if this doesn't help you, then this is the last thing you can do. Open the file explorer. You can head to the local disk C where the Windows is installed, and just go into the Windows folder. Inside the Windows folder you need to search for INF, and then go inside that INF folder, and for here you need to search for WEDMPT. I'll make sure to write it on the screen while editing this video. And .inf, you need to search for it, and there will be three files, and you need to just right click on the WP first file and click on install, and it will just install the file or basic driver to recognize your Android device. And so these were the three simple steps you need to follow to resolve this issue, and you will be good to go. So this was the video, guys. Hope you like it, and if it did help, make sure to give us a like and not forget to subscribe our channel for further updates. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.